welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing for you the Luliboo Indoor Outdoor Cuddle and Play Lounger. This lounger is an essential for us in our household. Aubrey Ryan is almost 7 months. She's like 6.5 months right now, and she is just like rolling around. She loves to play, and we're trying not to always have her like strapped into things. So this baby lounger has been a game changer for us. So let's go ahead and jump right in, and I'm going to show you exactly what it's like and exactly how we use it. So first of all, it's really lightweight. It's super easy for me to just like bring it from one room to the next room, and that is essential because I am constantly running around our house, and having a place to set her down is necessary, especially since I have a toddler and he needs me for like everything right now. So this is just a great spot for me to be able to lay her down and not have to worry about her like rolling clear across the room, and she stays entertained. So I love that it has these toys right here. These can be changed out. You don't have to keep these exact toys here. You can put whatever you want on here. It's really easy just to unhook them. They just loop on right like that, and then you can take them off, or if you don't want them on there at all, you don't have to have toys here. But Aubrey Ryan at this age, she is constantly reaching for things, and she loves to grab onto these and play with them. And Martin also likes to come and hit them, and she loves that too. So I also love that this has a canopy. When we're outside in the backyard, it's really great to bring this out with us, so that way the sun is not on her and she can lay in here and she can play. This is a very soft cushioned padding down here, so it's not a big deal for me to be laying her on the ground outside in this. It's really cushioned and soft and comfortable for her. I also love that this is water resistant right here, so I don't have to worry about the grass or anything like that. It's really easy to wipe down. But I really do think my favorite part is this canopy right here. But if you don't want the canopy, it's really easy just to take it off. You don't have to have it. Like say you've got an umbrella or whatever already, and you're like, I just don't need that. It's extra. There you go. It's off. And then this is very cushioned, but it's also sturdy, so you don't have to worry about it like flopping over or anything like that. It is just gonna stay up just like is. And then, as you guys know, we live a pretty active lifestyle. We like to be out of the house a lot. We like to be going places. We love going to the beach. This would be something I would totally take with us. And what makes it even more convenient is you can just fold it up like that and then wear this as a backpack. Just toss it over your shoulder, take it to the park with you, have a picnic at the park, take it with you to the beach, take it wherever you're going, and it's not a burden to be carrying it around. That is so nice. And it is really lightweight, so wearing it as a backpack and then holding the baby and holding the lunchbox or whatever else you're holding, this you won't even realize is on your back. And then when you're ready to use it, just pop it out, give it a little squeeze, and there it is. It's really nice having a safe spot to lay Aubrey Ryan down, and that she loves to play in. So it's a win-win for both of us. I can get Martin dressed and ready for school, and she can lay right next to us and play in her lounger. So that is my review on the Luliboo Indoor Outdoor Play Lounge. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Hit the red subscribe button. I will have the product linked down in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.